Next up is a product called the Wonderfitter. One is an M4 replica, and it's got a kick that's very nice, and it's got a button to eject the magazine. When popping it back in, it's meant to reload within the game. The other device they have is a pistol. It's a haptic pistol that's extremely light, like wildly light. The recoil on this pistol is so phenomenal and so immediate.
We have this brand new rifle and pistol that really stress the realism. Not only does this system have a haptic feedback that's nice and thumpy so it really feels like you're shooting, but it also includes special features so you drop the magazine and reload just like an actual AR.